Losing a checked bag or receiving it broken can ruin an entire trip. In 2026, airports handle millions of bags daily, and small mistakes now cause big losses. This guide explains the safest, most reliable ways travelers are protecting checked luggage today, based on modern airport systems and real-world travel data. 1. Pack like your bag will be turned upside down, because it will. Here's the truth: your suitcase will not stay upright. Packing as if it will is a mistake. Smart packing in 2026 means controlling movement inside the bag. When items shift, they break zippers, crack shells, and damage contents. Clothing should be packed tightly, with soft items surrounding anything fragile. Packing cubes aren't just for organization. They create internal structure. When the inside stays firm, the outside survives better. Loose space equals damage. If something would break when dropped from waist height, it doesn't belong near the edges of your suitcase. 2. Use insurance as a backup, not a last hope. Even perfect packing can't stop every accident. That's why luggage insurance matters more in 2026 than ever before. Many airlines now offer limited compensation that doesn't cover full replacement value. Travel insurance fills that gap. It protects against loss, damage, and delays, but only if you understand what's covered. Some policies cover the suitcase only. Others include contents. High-value items often need extra coverage. Checking this before flying saves arguments later. Insurance doesn't prevent problems. It removes panic when they happen. 3. Choose luggage built for abuse, and not appearance. Here's what most travelers get wrong right away. Checked luggage is not handled gently. No matter how premium the airline feels, your bag will be lifted, dropped, stacked, and dragged behind the scenes. In 2026, the safest checked bags are made from flexible hard-shell materials like polycarbonate or reinforced aluminum blends. These materials absorb impact instead of cracking under pressure. Soft bags tear more easily when caught in conveyor belts or stacked under heavier luggage. Durability also depends on what people ignore: wheels, handles, and zippers. Weak zippers burst under pressure, and broken wheels turn your suitcase into dead weight. A strong shell means nothing if the hardware fails first. Your luggage doesn't need to look expensive. It needs to survive stress. 4. And never check items you can't afford to lose. This rule hasn't changed, but the consequences have increased. Electronics, jewelry, important documents, and fragile items should never be in checked luggage. In 2026, airlines clearly state they are not responsible for many high-value items packed in checked bags. Checked luggage is designed for clothing and replaceable goods. Anything emotionally or financially irreplaceable belongs with you. If losing it would ruin your trip, don't check it. 5. Add a physical barrier against damage and tampering. This is where many frequent travelers quietly win. Airport luggage wrapping services add a tight plastic layer around checked bags. In 2026, these services often include tamper seals that show if the bag was opened during transit. Wrapping protects against scratches, zipper snags, and to an accidental opening. It also slows down theft because breaking the wrap takes time and attracts attention. It's not necessary for every trip, but for long flights, connections, or unfamiliar airports, it's a smart layer of defense. Extra protection always beats regret. 6. Understand how airlines actually handle checked bags. Most travelers imagine their suitcase moving smoothly from check-in to the plane. The reality in 2026 is very different. Bags pass through automated belts, robotic sorters, high-speed scanners, and multiple human handoffs, all within minutes. Each airline follows standardized handling systems, but pressure is highest during peak travel hours. Bags that are oddly shaped, overweight, or poorly packed are more likely to be dropped, stacked incorrectly, or delayed. Knowing this changes how you pack. If your bag can survive fast movement, stacking, and sudden stops, it's built correctly. If not, it's at risk, no matter the airline. 7. Make your luggage instantly identifiable. Black suitcases aren't the only bags that get lost. They're simply the hardest for staff to distinguish on a crowded carousel. Even with modern tracking improvements, bags that look the same as hundreds of others are more often misrouted. In 2024, airlines mishandled 33.4 million bags worldwide, which means mistakes still happen frequently despite better technology. Using eye-catching straps, bright tags, and colored stickers not only helps you spot your bag immediately, it also reduces the chance of it being taken by mistake or misdirected at transfer hubs. Many travelers now even place a second label inside their suitcase. Well, because airline tags can fall off during handling, your luggage should look so unique that even busy airport staff can spot it in seconds, not minutes. 8. Track your bag. Like airlines, track planes. Technology today means your suitcase doesn't have to be a mystery anymore. Airlines and baggage systems are rapidly adopting real-time tracking technology, which helped reduce lost luggage rates to about 6.3 mishandled bags per 1,000 passengers in 2024. A major improvement, but still something to guard against. Small GPS or Bluetooth tracking devices placed inside your luggage give you constant updates through your phone. If a bag doesn't arrive when you do, these trackers can show its last known location instantly, and that can speed up recovery or claim processes. More airlines are even integrating phone features like Apple AirTag, sharing directly into their systems to find bags faster. Tracking isn't just a convenience, it's peace of mind, especially on long international trips where mishandling is more common. 9. Avoid overpacking, heavy bags break. First, overpacking isn't just about fees at the check-in counter. It's a real reason luggage gets damaged or mishandled. In 2026, many airports use advanced digital weighing technology, and bags that are bulging or overweight are more likely to be roughly handled or forcefully squeezed into tight conveyor systems. Heavy luggage puts huge pressure on the bag's frame and wheels during transfer between vehicles and planes. Even tough shells can crack when internal contents press outward under weight. Instead of stuffing, we'll pack smart by prioritizing essentials and redistributing items between bags. A firm, well-balanced suitcase survives pressure far better than one that's overstuffed and weak at the seams. 10. Build a checked bag mindset. Before you pack, safe-check luggage starts with how you think about travel day challenges. In 2026, airline baggage systems are faster and smarter, but they handle millions of pieces of luggage across thousands of flights every day, and small errors add up quickly. Preparing mentally means picturing your bag going through conveyors, transfers, and occasional delays, then packing as if your luggage will be inspected or moved multiple times. With that mindset, you make smarter choices, like reinforcing fragile areas, avoiding loose items, and choosing designs that protect belongings even under stress. This preparation doesn't guarantee perfection, but it prevents most common mistakes that lead to broken or delayed luggage. 11. Stay updated on airline and TSA policy changes. Here's a fact many travelers overlook. Airline baggage policies aren't static. In 2026, airlines and safety authorities like TSA regularly adjust rules based on new technology, world events, seasonal travel demands, and security intelligence. Even minor changes in weight limits or scanning protocols can affect how your luggage is treated at airports. For older travelers who haven't flown in a while, ignoring these updates can mean surprises at check-in or delays at security. Airlines and airports now publish policy changes online, and many carriers offer email alerts to frequent flyers. Subscribing to these updates is a simple way to be better prepared and avoid preventable problems. Staying informed is like giving yourself a travel advantage. You know what to expect before you reach the airport. 12. Secure your bag the right way, not the obvious way. Many people lock their suitcases and believe they're safe, but in reality, the wrong kind of lock can increase your risk. TSA-approved locks are now essential in 2026 because security screenings may still require inspection. Non-approved locks are often cut off, leaving your bag unsecured for the remainder of the trip. Invest in high-quality TSA-approved locks with metal cables. These resist quick tampering and still allow officers to open them without damage when required. While no lock can stop a determined thief, a rugged locking system deters opportunistic access. Remember, just locking your bag isn't enough. Locking it the right way makes a real difference. Final rules for checked luggage safety in 2026. Here's what all experienced travelers quietly follow. Strong luggage beats stylish luggage. Simple packing beats clever packing. Lightweight beats overloaded. Prepared beats lucky. When you follow these rules, checked luggage becomes reliable instead of stressful. Checked luggage will never be fully risk-free, but in 2026, it's completely manageable. Travelers who understand how bags are handled, packed, tracked, and protected experience fewer losses and less stress. If this helped, share it with someone planning a trip. Subscribe for more updated travel strategies, because airports won't explain these things, but we will.